Okay, I'm making this video because, as you guys know, I've been working on my buddy's Cyborg Evo. Got it all fixed, ready to go. Going to show you the software that we use. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the control panel. Now, by doing this, I am going to actually calibrate. It's really simple. Calibrate the joystick by moving it around in all its axes. That shows me that my sensors are all working properly. Snaps back to center. That's my twist. That's the twist. These things have a twist. I've got to tell you, if you ever fly helicopters online, you want to have a joystick that twists. Because, man, you could stop in the air on a dime and spin around and just, well, I won't explain anymore. And I'm going to check my hat switch. Make sure that it's hitting all the positions. Seems like it is. And then that's my throttle in the back. It's got a potentiometer, which actually has a little bit of resistance to it. Also great for flying and or driving. Now we're going to go over here. Look at the dead zones. Now if you notice how even though everything is centered on the stick, right? See how that little wavers a little bit? Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up this a little bit, and we're going to put a dead zone in there. Now what that dead zone is going to do is keep that stick from activating any of the buttons accidentally, whether in a game or not in a game, because you have to remember you can map these buttons to keyboard strokes. So there we go. Let's go about there. And actually for the Z-axis, I don't need to because, yeah, you got to literally physically reach one down with the other hand. And okay, so we're going to apply that. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to go down, and I'll show you, like if you're making a new profile, okay, every time you hit a button, see that? Shows you every button's working. You can actually go down here and set different dead zones and stuff for even your axes, or turn them into mouse controls, because there's some games like I ran into recently, like the Rise of Tomb Raider. They won't let you remap your mouse. So if you want to use a joystick, you got to use some buttons on your joystick as your mouse. Alright, then your mouse doesn't work worth a shit, so I just hate that game. Anyway, let's go back here. How about we load up some Half-Life 2, because I've already got that all mapped for my stick. And let's go take this baby for a drive, see if she's working like she's supposed to. Okay? Yeah, okay. Been here and done this before with my stick, so let's see how this baby performs. Yeah, I remember this douchebag dropping me off in the wrong place because it was paid off by the combine and shit. Dirty bastard. Son of a bitch. Alright. Okay. You piece of shit. Alright. Well, I got no drifting. Everything seems to be working fine. Yep. I think we got a win here. Oh shit, someone's shooting from me behind. Check out these buttons. Yep, flashlight's working. Zoom's working. You betcha. Yep, secondary fire's working. Reload's working. Right on. Alright. I think that's a win. Looks to me like everything's working good. I hope he enjoys it. Goes out there and kicks a lot of people's asses with it. Alright. Well, this one's for you, my friend. It's working like it was brand new again. Check you later. Bye.